I'm Christian Miller with Walker Marine up here in Walker, Minnesota, and today I want to show you the 2026 Barletta Aria 22UC. This is a 12-person tri-toon powered with a Mercury 150, and it has a lot of cool features that I want to show you. Let's go through this boat front to back, and I'll show you how to configure the Ultra Lounge and show you some of the other features on this Barletta Aria. This tri-toon is powered with a Mercury 150 4-stroke. It was also rigged from the factory with a stainless steel prop. This is a 3-blade prop. Great add-on from the factory, and you'll get better performance out of that than you will on a standard aluminum prop. Moving to the starboard side of the boat, we have this stainless steel telescoping swim ladder with the dual posts that make it very easy to load on and off of this boat. Whether you're at the beach or the sandbar, these dual grab handles are just such a great feature. I always say that Barletta is a thoughtful boat, and they put a lot of thought into these features, which is exactly what they did back here on the swim deck. If we move up to the side of the boat, let me show you some of the construction. This boat features the blackout package, meaning that all the railings on it have the blackout. You get that nice bohemian accent blue color with the Barletta signature. Let's move up to the bow and I'll show you some more features. Up front in the bow here, there are 2 sofas up here for lounging. Both of them feature great storage areas. Those are plastic lined, so they are very easy to clean out and keep well maintained with your life jackets, your towels. And then you have dual cup holders as well as that JBL sound system. It also features the doggy view door with that 10-year bow to stern warranty sticker on it. Another key feature, and then you get into the other side with those dual cup holders, the JBL sound, and the USB-C and the USB chargers. Another really great feature is this wastebasket insert, allowing you to keep the boat nice and clean and well organized when you are fully loaded. This boat can handle up to 12 people, so that's a great feature. Another thing that Barletta is known for is their dog-friendly options. The doggy view door and the food and watering bowl, which is standard in all of our Barlettas. Just another great feature. Barlettas are thoughtful, and every design proves that concept. Let's move to the midship section where we have co-captain's chairs. If you're a husband and wife or just some friends, this is a great area without having to go to the lounging areas. If you're out on a cruise, these seats swivel, they're the high back seats, and they're adjustable as well. Let's go back to the Ultra Lounger in the back of the boat, and I'll show you a few more options how to configure that seating. Another one of my favorite features is this back swim deck area. It is really spacious. It allows you to travel back and forth between the outboard cage. These stainless steel safety stanchion chains allow you to open this area when you get to the sandbar or the beach. It's very convenient to unsnap these. And then this area becomes wide open for people to jump into the water, climb on and off the boat. You get to pass through here. There's a nice aisleway coming down to your swim deck. And the swim ladder here. It's just a really convenient area that's very spacious. Another great feature of this back area is this large storage compartment. And you can put life jackets or other things in here, but it could also be used as a cooler. Fill it full of ice, put your waters, put some of your favorite beverages in here, and really make this your own private swim-up bar. If somebody wants a drink, they come to the back of the boat, they ask you to toss them something, and this area just becomes a fun hangout area for everybody. Whether you're at the beach or the sandbar, this is just another great feature on this Aria, and it is very spacious and accommodating to large groups. This is a 12-person boat, and every feature on here is accommodating to the family. Here at the helm, you have a Lowrance Hook 5. This is a depth finder and a mapping chart, so it allows you to see your depth. It allows you to see the lake mapping. You have these nice buttons down here that give you your options on your lighting, for your docking. You have your bilge pump, your horn, everything is there right below your depth finder. And then you get into these Barletta gauges. These are just really classy. They're just nice gauges, trimmed out well. You have a fuel gauge here, speedometer, and your trim gauge is there as well. Right next to it, you have a digital gauge, which allows you to see your RPMs and some of the other readings from the outboard that you'll need as you're running on the water. It also has a JBL power head there. That's a great sound system and just another step that Barletta does not skip out on. They provide quality on every part of these boats, and regardless of what model you buy, whether it's an Aria, a Cabrio, a Corsa, or a Lusso, there is quality in every detail. Thanks for watching and going through the 2026 Barletta Aria 22UC with me. If you have questions on this boat or you want to see it for yourself, you can visit walker-marine.com. You can click the link in the description below, or you can call me directly at 218-547-1727.